this video. I don't know how to start these videos anymore. Like, I don't know how to, because I always do that, hey guys, what's up, it's me, Franny. But I feel like that needs to be left behind, and I feel like a lot of you guys aren't gonna agree with that. I guess we'll start with that. Hey guys, what's up, it's me, Franny. Today I'm gonna be doing a little transformation, a little get ready with me. I literally wanted this to be a super casual video, just me doing my makeup. I wanted to do something fun with my makeup, something a little different than I normally do, and kind of just like chit chat about the new year, what I'm excited for, you know, kind of life update, my New Year's resolutions. Also, I decided I wanted to put blonde in my hair. I'm not that crazy. I'm not gonna just dye a piece of hair blonde because I can't. I've put my hair through so much already, and it's at a place now that I love the color. I love how it feels. I don't want to mess it up. I got some blonde hair extensions. But you know, when I want to do things like this, it never is easy. So when I was trying to find blonde clip-in extensions, I could not find them. So I had to buy just regular like extensions, like wefts, and I have to cut them, put them on these clips, and sew them on. I have no idea how to do that. I haven't even watched a video on how to do it. I think I'm just gonna try and figure it out. New year, new me. This is my first video that I'm filming in 2021. It's exciting. I did film a video with Neza that I uploaded, I believe, on the 3rd of January or the 2nd. But that was filmed before 2021 came about. Okay, so I kind of wanted to talk about my New Year's resolutions. I really want to try and curse less. I feel like I curse a good amount. It's not cute. But then someone told me that people who curse a lot are more smart or more intellectual, and I'm like, I mean, okay, makes me feel better about myself. But yeah, want to curse less. Definitely want to get back on my workout grind. Like, I just want to feel fit again. Or 2 years ago, I started like a fitness journey with one of my old trainers, Megan. She moved to San Diego, so I don't see her anymore, and it's been quarantine and COVID and everything. I was on a fitness journey with her for a little over a year, and it was life-changing for me because I felt a lot more confident. I gained muscle. It was crazy. I never trained like that before in my life, and it was nice having someone there kind of like guiding me. But yeah, I definitely want to get back on my workout grind. I think I just really need to focus on like myself first, in the sense of like, you know, just putting like work stuff together, figuring out what this year is gonna look like for me and stuff like that. I have really bad dermatitis, like right here and along my eye and like around my nose a little bit, and it's making my skin extremely textured, and it's really uncomfortable, and I don't know what to do about it. If you guys have any like remedies or anything to help out the dermatitis, I'm really trying to avoid going to the dermatologist because so much effort to go to the dermatologist. I figured out how to get rid of most of my acne on my own, so I feel like I can do this on my own. If you guys have dealt with it, of dermatitis or eczema or something on your face of some sort, let a girl know. I feel like putting makeup on it doesn't help either, but you know, whatever. I was thinking about doing like trying to get rid of red meat. It's weird. I love vegan food. Obsessed with it. Love vegan food. Could have vegan all the time. Then there are days where I'm like, oh, I just want a fat juicy steak, or I want like a piece of chicken or something. Like, I've never, I mean, years ago I tried it, but recently I've never tried to go full vegan. Like, I'll try to avoid meat and stuff. If I'm out, I'll get a veggie burger, or I'll try to get chicken or something. But I'm not really saying what I'm doing because I've done this so many times, and I'm just like, this is like a makeup look that is like my everyday makeup look. So I've talked about it so many times in so many random makeup videos. So dude, I swear I'm gonna end up getting married with a hair tie around my wrist, and I'm gonna scream because I always have it around my wrist, and then I take photos, and then there's like a photo I like, and I have the freaking hair tie around my wrist, and I'm just like, why? And it's because I have so much damn hair that I need to always have one with me. And I'm like, I need to put my hair up. It's just too much. It's always in the way. My hair color, I really love my hair color right now. It's pretty much all my natural hair right now. I was like, it's a new year. I want to just have some fun. I want to do something fun and funky. And I was like, why don't I also do a cool like eye makeup look? The eye makeup look I want to do though is like, it's like they have a line in the crease, and then it's like wings out, and then it's like a line line to like, it looks like really like artsy. We're gonna see. I've never done it before, and it could either come out heinous or really cute. I have no idea. Let me just talk about this product real quick. I bought this a couple weeks ago. It's the Milk Makeup Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Stick, I think, in cork, like corky. I absolutely love this. I've been so obsessed with cream makeup lately. It's funny because I remember a while ago I only used like powdered stuff. I still use powdered stuff, but I loved just powdered makeup because I was, for some reason a couple years ago, I was just way oilier, so I mattified the shit out of my face. I'm like saying I'm trying to not curse and I'm cursing. Sorry. So yeah, I would always mattify my face because it was so oily. And then I started using a lot of cream makeup because I liked, you know, the more dewy look, more natural looking look. A little bit of that blush. Look at that. I use a little stippling brush. This one is from MAC, I think. It's the MAC 159. Morphe also has a pretty nice stippling brush. But guys, what are y'all's New Year's resolutions? Like, I want to know. I want to know what y'all are trying to do better this year. I think we did pretty damn well for 2020. Like, looking back on it, the year that we all had was just so incredibly aggressive. It's a year that's gonna be in history books. I keep saying that to everyone. I'm like, you guys do realize that 2020 is gonna be in a history book, and in like 20 years when I have kids, they're gonna be in school learning these things, and I'm gonna be like, yo, mama lived through that. So instead of using a pencil, I'm using like a little brush. It's so much easier, and I like filling them in a little bit. I really don't care to line my eyebrows a lot. I like how they look naturally, so I just kind of like to fill them in a bit and nothing, like doing nothing too crazy. Okay, do I want to put eyeshadow on? You know what? No. I'm just gonna do brown eyeliner and maybe like smoke it out of some sort. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Okay, you see that? I made a line. It can be something. Hold on, give me a second. It's kind of cool, actually. I don't know. I'm like kind of into it. Hold on. Okay, I'm not mad about it. Okay, so it looks good from far away, but it doesn't look good up close. But it's fine. It works for me, honestly. I'm gonna take some another brown liner and just like go into my waterline. Like, it's like I'm figuring it out. Okay, I like how it's like smoky kind of on top. My foot fell asleep. Okay, I'm gonna just put some mascara on this eye and I'm gonna do the other eye. Wow, I feel feisty. It looks cute from far away. Let's just go with that. I'm gonna go do the other eye real quick. I like how like how it kind of like not perfect it looks. It like just looks kind of like smoky and kind of like not super perfect. I'm kind of vibing with it. Wow, I feel like artsy. I have never sewn in extensions before in my life, so we're gonna see how this goes. Whoa, this hair feels so nice. Okay. Okay. Didn't do that right. I know that. Okay, we're gonna have to lay this out on the bed. It is literally one whole thing of hair. Like, what is, like, why do I think of this stuff? Like, what? This is pretty nifty. Oh, it comes with scissors too. This reminds me of high school. I took a fashion design in high school. Bro, how are we supposed to get this in here? Oh my god, I got it. I got it. I got it. People who can sew are probably watching me like, what is she doing? Okay. Oh my god, okay, yes, it went through the last one. I just pulled it out. Guys? Look at that. Look at the blonde pieces I put in my hair. I'm actually really proud of myself. If I show y'all what these extensions look like though, I mean, half of them I did backwards accidentally and I still made it work somehow in my hair. Some of them look ratchet as hell. The sewing is so ratchet, but I'm vibing with it. It's just super, like, it's different. It's something I've never have done before. Here, let me take one out just to show y'all. Okay, this one's probably the best one. Okay, so I literally took this clip and sewed the top of that together. I figured it out, guys. I don't know how I did it. And I'm for it. Like, it's a vibe and they're pretty sturdy. I mean, not a bad job for someone who has never done this before. And keep in mind, guys, I didn't even watch a video. I like didn't even know where to start with it, and I figured it out. Oh, guys, I feel spunky. I feel spunky as F. Oh yeah, I want to put lips on. It's like liquid lipstick by MAC. I feel like this is who I actually want to be. I don't know how I feel about the lips. Guys, I don't know who I am right now. Whoa, the blonde is really throwing me off, but like in the weirdest way, I like it. When I tell you, I don't even know how I thought of this video, but I just wanted to look different for some reason today. But like, I don't think I could permanently do this, but it's a vibe. Like, it's a cool, like, thing to try out. Like, I've never been this edgy before. I think the edgiest I've ever been is either dyeing my hair black or shaving underneath my hair. Like, I shaved like a chunk of my hair off underneath. Oh my god. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of, I don't know, maybe me having a midlife crisis. I have no idea what this is. I just keep thinking about it. Like, I'm like, why? I didn't even think I was gonna end up looking like this. I don't know what I thought I was gonna look like. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe you'll see me and my alter ego some other time. Okay, bye, guys.